How to archive and unarchive post on Instagram. So if you want to archive and unarchive post on Instagram, then you have to first open up your Instagram and make sure you have logged into your Instagram account. And now to archive and to unarchive, you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And now you have to choose a post that you would like to archive it. So now I have chosen this one. So what you can do is you can go to the upper right corner of the post, which has the three dots icon. Simply tap on that and then you will have a bunch of options. So to archive this post, you can simply tap on archive, and that's it. That's how you do it. And now if you want to unarchive this post, then you can go to the upper right corner, which has a three barred icon, and then you can go to archive, which is on the third option, and here it will show you the story archive. So if you want to go to the posts archive, then on the upper side you will have a drop down bar right beside the stories archive. You can simply tap on the drop down bar and then you can choose your archive, like if you want to have your stories or if you want to have your post or your live. So you can go to post and then here you will have that post. And if you want to unarchive this, then you can simply tap on the post and then you can go to the upper right corner, which has a three dots icon, and then you have to tap on show on profile and again tap show on profile, and that's it. That's how you archive and unarchive post. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.